Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2024, yes, we're going back in time a little bit, the last mix of 2024 Boulevard. So Boulevard is a Walmart exclusive here in the United States. JGT68 is your case designation. This is the Z case, so that is mix, 4 or 5, 6 for 2024. The last mix is basically all you need to know. So this case came over from One Stop Diecast. Thank you, One Stop Diecast, for sending this over. I ordered it a while back. One Stop Diecast actually brings these in from an overseas seller, so we are able to get these from OneStopDiecast.com. All right, so let's see. Where do we want to go from here? Let's go. Well, let's just start pulling, right? Let's start pulling out of the case. You've probably seen this mix already. You've probably seen it at retail. You've seen other people unbox it. Yeah, let's just start pulling and see what we get here. So there's two cars, two of every car in this mix, 10 cars total. So this is number 113, the Mercedes-Benz E36 AMG. So we still have that, since this is 2024, we still get that diner scene. Very Route 66-esque. This is the second appearance of the Mercedes-Benz E36 AMG, the wagon here. You do notice that they have retooled the casting. The original version of this casting appeared in the Boulevard line back in 2022. 2 years later, we see it again re-emerging with the full door lines on the side of it, and it has been fixed. So it was done in error. The door lines didn't go all the way down. Now we see the casting fixed, and it is white with these. I love the look of these chrome-lipped 10-spoke modern rail riders. They just look awesome. Top black, yeah. Bottom base black. Nice tailpipe sticking out the back. That is a nice casting. I still have not tracked down that original Boulevard release. I think I might just buy the Boulevard set. I know it's been popping up I saw it at Best Buy most recently, the 2002 set, that for $100 a whole year. I should just buy one of those. All right. 1973 Volvo 142 GL. So this is the first time we've seen the Volvo, right, in a racing deco. Yeah, because I think we've only seen it in the plain colors before, like the clean look, the orange, the black chase, the turquoise, and Canyon Drifters. Or was that the orange one? I don't remember. But the Volvo, 1973 Volvo, is number 111 in the Boulevard line. And yeah, number 73 on the side. Some nice Watanabe Real Riders on there. That is a nice one. I actually found that one in my local Walmart. I think that was the one that was left behind. All right, next car out of the case is the 32 Ford, number 112. So we get since these did come, it's clear that these came from an overseas Asian market with all the writing on the back of the card here. But that is okay, because that means I get to have in my collection. All right, so you got a little patina in the back. This is actually a really cool job. I remember Hot Wheels graphic designer Christina Albrecht talking about how she did this one, and it was done in the very similar style as the Plymouth Savoy that was released earlier in 2024. And now we see that same kind of patina technique applied to the trunk of the 32 Ford in this matte olive green. Got the front race steely kind of wheels there, the thicker cheater slicks on the back. Yeah, this is nice. Again, I said this in my Salt Flat Racers video. I think I have been thinking about collecting the 1932 Ford. Just so many cool releases of this casting. It's been around since 1998, and what is that, almost 30 years, and we've seen just a handful of awesome releases of this casting. So strongly thinking about it. Not my most favorite car, but then again, I never thought I would collect like Datsuns or Skylines or anything like that when I was growing up. So be open, right? Be open to change. Be open to something new. Maybe I'll start collecting a hot rod. All right. BMW M3. This is the E46 casting, right? Does it say? Yeah. Oh, yeah. It says on the base here, BMW M3 E46. Wonder why they excluded that on the packaging. But this is number 115 in the Boulevard line. It comes in Phoenix yellow. If you follow the paint codes for BMWs, you know that Phoenix yellow is a coveted color in the M3 world. And yeah, just looks great on this car. You get these headlights are done really nice. This is actually, like, I think I might have shared this before, or maybe I haven't. I think the BMW M3 E46 is my favorite BMW casting that Hot Wheels makes. I just love it. It's got the dual front chin spoilers in the front. It just sits really nice. This one looks great with the modern 5 spokes on it. Yeah, and like subtle like hood bulge. Yeah, this looks good. Good call on the Phoenix yellow Hot Wheels design team. All right, last but not least. I feel like I say last but not least in every video, right? Call me out on it. Let me know in the comments. All right. 1967 Volkswagen Samba Bus, brand new casting. So you get yet another Hot Wheels Volkswagen bus. You know, at one point I felt like we could never have too many VW buses. But yeah, I don't think we can. As long as they keep changing them up. You know, the drag bus was done to death for a number of years. So it's good to kind of see that one. Really just take a backseat. I mean, you know, the velocity of them releasing it has slowed down, and the other buses, like, I mean, we saw the T1 Pana bus. I mean, that thing is just taken off in popularity, and we've seen other buses come, you know, so it's nice to see these there's so many different ways you can customize a Volkswagen like bus, that it's nice to see something like this. So this is a new casting designed around there's a comedian, I believe his name is, like, he goes by like Fluffy, right? I don't remember his actual name, but this is his bus. He's got his little autograph there, logo, mic dropping over there. But yeah, this one is nice because you can see the inside. You can see like the bench on the inside. I really need to start, when I do these unboxing videos, I think I'm going to start opening these vehicles up and showing you on like a turntable or something. All right, number 114, the 1967 Volkswagen Samba Bus. What a way to end. That was a great way to end 2024. So I should have 2025 case coming soon for Boulevard. I haven't got it yet, but all right. Thank you for watching. Let me know. I'm sure you've seen this mix in the store already. I'm sure you've seen other people unbox it already. Let me know what you found, what you bought, or if you're still looking forward to finding some of it. Let me know what you think. We'll talk in the comments. Thank you for watching.